right. Here we are. I hope it's a good room. Oof. Here we have the living room. We have here another TV. Here's the couch. I mean, this is amazing. This is just amazing. This is an amazing room, an amazing suite, and of course, the highlight of the whole room. I mean, look at this. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. 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 This is so amazing. The water is so clear. Look at the water and the surroundings. Look at the hotel. It's so beautiful. I mean, stunning. Then, what do we have here? A personal letter from the general manager of the hotel welcoming you. And look at the detail. This is stamped in the logo of the hotel. Regis Resort and Spa, Çeşme in Turkey. And if I open it, handwritten letter, the hotel manager welcomes the guest. Incredible attention to the detail. This is why you pay $500 per night. And by the way, I will take this with me, you know, I collect them. Fully stacked mini bar. I don't take these are not healthy. As you know, I'm a fitness guy. And let me show you something else. Come on. You probably enjoy your Turkish wine at the evening time and you're smoking your Cuban cigar. You open this here ashtray. They have here matches. And what do you know? Even the matches have a white layer instead of a red layer of sulfur on it. This is real attention to the detail. Not standard, but anyway, the people here have thought about everything.
And it's the spa. It's the spa is the private. It's the massage.
There, you can have the massage. Here, like as a hotel guest, you can use this. You can also order a private chef who will cook for you here. We have the private massage. You can also have here massage. I mean, this is a dream, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, look at the water, look at the mountains. And the air here is so fresh and good. And you can also go for diving as well, and surfing as well, and jet skis as well, right?
Yeah.
You have your jet skis. I mean, this place has everything you need for a high-end luxury vacation. And this button, as I said, attention to the detail. If you press this button, waiters will come here and serve you. Wow.
Yeah.
And this is how you enjoy your beer here. Turkey Regis Luxury Collection Hotel in Çeşme. And you have here this exclusive view only for yourself. Trolley, ladies and gentlemen, subscribe to my channel and you can enjoy this for free. I show you how. Check out this. You wake up to this view. You walk outside your room, and your room is actually on the east side, and you wake up to the sunrise, the direct sunrise. It's incredible. Watermelons. How about this for breakfast? Cheers, guys. South indoor thermal waters. I float actually in this water because it's rich in magnesium as well, and it lifts you up on the water. Watch this. More or less. But they're good. They're good, you know. As I said, I did this bath yesterday, and after that I felt refreshed. And yeah, you kind of feel like that the salt is working on your skin, making you even possibly younger. Lots of ice, only this way.
You may see also on the floors.
Look at this.
It's waves, because Çeşme Navachate is very popular place for surfing. It's very windy area.
Ah, so this is a good place for to go for surfing as well. But this is the private beach here. This is what I understand, or what you should understand under the name private beach. I mean, you have the private bungalows here, your own private white sand, your own private area where you can swim. Everything's private here in this hotel. I mean, how crazy is this? And the water crystal clear. All the service employees help you immediately. They have here even a Baywatch lifeguard. Hello, who's taking care of you. This place is so amazing. Like, Trolley rating score. Location 9.5 or even 10 out of 10. Definitely one of the best beaches and one of the most clear waters in Turkey. I guarantee you that. Value for the money, 9 out of 10. You'll definitely notice the difference between a standard 5-star hotel and this high-end luxury 5-star hotel. So for sure, great value for the money. Yeah, regarding dining, for sure 9.5 out of 10. The food is incredible, you know, you have to try it. Even if you come here for the food, you know, even if you come here for the restaurant, 9.5 out of 10. This for sure was one of the best experiences regarding service. This is how proper service is done in a hotel. So at least 9.5 or even 10 out of 10. Service was on a very, very high level. I used my free night reward, which you get if you sign up to the Marriott Bonvoy program, and if you stay more than 75 nights in a year, then they give you one free night, which you can use in Marriott chain hotels. And this is what I did, if you're wondering how I stayed here. Alright folks, thanks for watching. Here's where I have to say goodbye. I hope you enjoyed this video. In case you did, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Alright, till next time, your host for the evening, Trolley B. Bye bye.